Hey there, my geometry cats. Today we are looking at 4.4, congruent triangles. Not triangles. That's what you do after you take a test that you didn't prepare for. Anyway, I digress. Alright, what are congruent triangles? Congruent triangles are congruent. They have the same shape. They have the same size. They're the same thing in a different location. That means all the corresponding parts are also congruent. So every angle and every side is congruent as well. So when we have two triangles that are congruent, we can make a statement about it. You can make a statement. Not even in court. We just have to do it right here. Now, what's important about the congruency statement is they have to match up. So A is congruent with D. So if I put A first, D has to be first. Okay? B is congruent with E. So if B is second, E has to be second. And like C is congruent to F, so if C is third, F is third. Order matters on these. Okay? Now let's talk about Cpctc. Yeah, you know me. That's an old rap reference that you guys probably have no clue what I'm talking about. Alright, Cpct is corresponding. Parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Say it with me now. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. I hear you. Nice job. Alright. Let's see what that means. Alright, let's take a look at this example one. List all congruent angles and sides given the statement. So I don't have a picture. Well, let's do angles first. That's the most straightforward. So if J is first, it means it's congruent to P. So angle J is congruent to angle P. Alright. Now K is second, Q is second, so it means angle K is congruent to angle Q. Don't use yellow, no one can see that. Lastly, L is third, R is third. So your angle L is congruent to angle R. Alright? That's not so bad. Well, that doesn't work. Oopsie strudel. Now let's do the sides. Sides same way. JK goes with PQ. JK is going to be congruent to PQ. Same spot. Same stuff going on. Clear this up a little bit. KL, QR. Okay. But what's the last one? I don't know what the last one is. Do y'all know what the last one is? We gotta do the end caps. JL is gonna go with PR. Okay. Boom. Now, is there another way I could have written this statement up here? Well, yeah, let's change the order of the first one. Let's make it KLJ. I don't know. That's going to be congruent. Well, K went with Q. L went with R. And J went with P. Now, are there other options? Yeah, there's tons of them. In fact, I'm going to ask that you guys show me on number 2. You guys do number 2 and bring it into class. Do your best on it. Bring it in. And that'll be one way you get one of your points, okay? So, I'm going to look at number 2 in class tomorrow. Sorry, Jarring, skip there. I'm going to do number 3 in class tomorrow. I'm going to do number 4 here. And that'll be it. I'll do the algebra ones in class as well. Alright. So, number 4. Given st and bf Find each missing measure. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is actually label both triangles. So they're congruent. S goes with B. So S is 67. So that means B is 67. And I got that from the order. The congruency statement. N goes with W. So that's 82. Now I don't know this angle, so I'm going to have to do 180 minus a bunch of stuff. Minus the two angles I know, right? And when I do that, I get 98, carry the 5. Did I hear a 9er in there? I got 31. So they're both 31 because they're congruent. Alright, now let's do the sides. Why not? So TS is 17. ST is 17. So it means BF is 17. Okay. That's 9. This is 9. That's 14. This is 14. And that should be enough information now for me to answer all the questions over to my right. So BN was 9 centimeters. TW is 14 centimeters. BF is 17 centimeters. Angle W is 82 degrees. B was 67 degrees. 31 degrees. There we go. Not so bad. We'll do more tomorrow in class. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.